Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today again we are working on the Alfa Romeo 4C, and as you can see, the hood is off, even though it's not a hood that comes off like other cars. You can still be removed, and there's tons of other videos and stuff to remove them. Just in case you're wondering, today we're going to replace the hood emblems, just in case yours ever gets scratched, just like mine. It's kind of the simplest thing to do. Just getting to it is a little bit hard, but after you remove the hood, if you just want a quick tutorial to remove that, there's two bolts on both side studs on the hood. You remove those. There's going to be some T-star bits on top. Should be 30. You go ahead and remove those, the hood slides up. I just have tons of them to protect it, but once you actually get to this, you have a couple of options. You can remove this radiator cover, or you could do like me. I just push it down because it has some flex to it. I get access to the hood emblem. There's only really one little Allen bolt holding it, as you could see. And all it is a 4 millimeter. Use an Allen, hex, whatever's really easier, whatever tools you have. Then it just pulls right out. And then you basically just pop the new one in and bolt it down. I'm going to go ahead and finish cleaning it up, but it's not that hard, guys. Just in case any of you other guys damage your hood emblem. I'll leave a couple part numbers in the description below as well, just in case you want to replace it. If you want to take a look at the part number on the back, it's kind of hard probably to see with the reflection, but I'll leave them in the description below, so go ahead and take a look at that. Other than that, hope you guys like the video. Should be something pretty easy. If you want me to just give you a quick tour in case you're just wondering what's underneath the hood. You got a wash fluid reservoir that you have to fill from the top there, your brake fluid, radiator. You got tons of discharge lines from your rack and pinion, radiator, probably heater core, wiper transmissions back there, and so on. Just in case you guys are curious what it actually looks like, or if you need to get to something, is it under here? I'll just give you guys a little tour. Hope you guys like the video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks, guys.